Ashita from class 7th. Now I'm here to narrate a short story, John a Selfish Boy. John was a selfish boy. He never shares his toys with anyone. His parents were worried as how to teach him about kindness and sharing. Then, one day, John was returning from school in his new bicycle. As he was watching, a little boy fell down into the ditch and hurt himself. The boy cried, "Ah, I can't move my arm." John would never help anyone, but that day he felt sad for the boy. So he rushed to him and helped him stand up. John said to the boy, "Looks like you have fractured your hand. Sit behind me and I'll ride you to the hospital." Later that evening, the boy's parents visited John and thanked him. "You are a very kind boy. God will always bless you." After they had left, John's father said, "Son, see the blessings you have received by being kind and sharing." Then John understood the importance of being kind and decides to share always. Moral of the story is always be kind and help to others. Thank you.
Madhavi from class 7th. Now I am telling a moral story, Health and Strength. Hello children, my name is Health and my husband's name is Strength. The world is our home. We have two daughters. Their names are Games and Sports. They are twins. They look alike. People often mistake for games for sports and sports for games. But if you observe carefully, you will know who is who. Sports has grace and dignity in every moment and she likes a lot of physical activity. She is not proud, but she doesn't like the company of others much. Therefore, you hardly find anybody with her except on festive occasions. Games, unlike a sister, likes company of others. You will find at least 2 or 3 and sometimes as many as 11 people with her. They talk to each other, encourage one another and enjoy themselves by taking sides and playing against each other. One day, Games told me that she wanted to marry Pleasure, who loved her so much. I remember his name. He is the son of my close relative Entertainment. I performed their marriage in a big stadium. Soon, they had a lot of children. Some of them are twins. I'll just tell you the names as they come to my mind. Okay, here you are. Volleyball, football, cricket, caroms, kabaddi, table tennis. Yes, chess. That's it for now. Okay, now let me tell you about my second daughter. One day, as I was taking my evening walk and I found her with a young and energetic boy called Confidence. He is the son of my distant relative from my husband's side. They will make a good couple, I thought. Soon, they were married in a very big place called Olympiad. They too had children, in fact, as many as Games had. Confidence, my son-in-law, is very much interested in children giving fancy names. I can never tell you all the names unless you give me enough time. For now, I'll give you a few. Where can I start? Let me start with my dynamic girl, running. Yes. Then you have high jump, long jump, hurdles, discus throw, javelin throw, swimming. My memory fails me. Though I cannot tell you all the names of my grandchildren, I'll show you some pictures of them. I'm sure you will identify them since they have become popular all over the world. Okay, that's it for now. Bye. Of this story, every person should be healthy and strengthened. Thank you.
Yani from class 7. Today my topic about my favorite person. My favorite person is my dad. My dad name is S. Balamahesh. He is 40 years old. He works in fire extinguishers. My dad is my best friend and my real hero. My dad is a very busy person. He works hard to maintain the family. My dad is a good-natured person. He is very healthy, happy and punctual. My dad goes to his duty at the right time. He teaches us the value of time in life. He is very soft-hearted. He is a honest person. He also taught me to respect elders. He teaches me good manners. He is a good teacher. He is my favorite person because he loves me, supports me and helps me. I love my dad. Thank you.
My name is Jessie Moses. Today my topic is about my favorite person. My favorite person is my mother. From my early childhood, I hold my mother's finger and I grew up. When I grew up, my mother takes care of my family members. She is my inspiration. She helps me in my study. Thank you.
Asya today's my topic is about importance of family. Family is the single most important influence in a child's life. From their first moments of the child's life depends on family and parents to protect them and fulfill their needs. Now some points about family. Family makes society. Family is a support system. Family stays with you in all situations and provide guidance. Especially during crisis, family will stays with you every day. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am telling about my favorite color. My favorite color is green. I think green is a part of our world. Green makes me feel relaxing and refreshing. Green symbolizes nature and natural world. We cannot live without greenery around us. Green is a natural color. Green is so cheerful and good health. Thank you.
Jagruti.
I am Manasa.
Today we have a conversation. Hi Manasa, welcome to city. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
Pretty well. Why are you waiting outside? Come inside. When did you return from your village?
Just this morning.
How was Pongal?
It was great fun. I really enjoyed every moment in village. I think I spent some more times in there.
Oh, did village life impress you that much?
Yes,
What fascinated you so much?
I like pollution free, fresh air, fresh water and clear sky.
Was there anything else?
Yes, green fields, strange birds, cows, bulls, etc.
Oh, that's interesting. Why don't you take me next time when you are going to your village?
Okay, definitely.
Thank you.
My name is P. Soumya. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am telling about sports and games. Playing sports and games make our body and mind fresh. Most important thing, our heart is strength. Then after playing sports and games, playing sports and games is one of the treatment for heart diseases. Sports help us to live and fit and healthy life. Thank you. Fatima, I am studying in 7th class. Today's my topic is my goal. My goal is to become a doctor. I want to serve sick and poor people. Only a doctor can understand the disease and treat it. I want to help poor people. Only a doctor can understand the disease and treat it. I work hard to become a doctor. I like drawing, which is my hobby. Thank you.
This is Bhavisha. I am from 7th class. Today I am going to recite a poem from my textbook, The Town Child. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. There were buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lamps. The houses are white in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. That is the only one thing that I love. That is the sky far above. There is plenty of rooms in the blue for castles and clouds and me too. Thank you.
Topic is my favorite day. My favorite day is Sunday. I like all days of the week, but Sunday is my favorite day. It's get to have much free time in whole week. Expect Sunday. Why I like Sunday? I wake up at 10 o'clock. I take a bath. I enjoy outdoor activities with family and friends. Thank you.
From grade 7, my topic is about my best friend. My best friend is someone special whom I can share all my feelings. She is Nishika. She lives close to my house. We met each other on my first day of class 2nd. We know each other very well as we understand each other's need. We can share everything very happily without any problem. We also take advices and opinions of each other. She is very caring, kind-hearted and smart. We also take advices and opinions of each other as we understand each other's need. Thank you.
To everyone, my name is Joshna. I am from 7th standard. Today my topic is uses of water. Water is used for daily purpose like cooking, bathing. Water is used as universal solvent. Water maintains the temperature of our body. Water helps in digestion in our body. Water
is used in factories and industries. Water is used to grow plants, vegetables and crops. Thank you.
Srinidhi from class 7. Today is my topic is about my classroom. My classroom is very spacious. All my friends meet in a classroom. We share our feelings, happy, sad moment. We spend a lot of time in classroom. Classroom is second home. I like my classroom very much. Thank you.
Class 7th. Today my topic is my favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is potato. Potato is a vegetable. It is small plant with large leaves. It is that part of potato that people eat is tuber that grown under the ground. A potato contains a lot of starch and other carbohydrates. Benefits of potato. A potato packed with antioxidant component. It will fight with free radicals which can damage our cells. A diet is high in antioxidant rich in fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables lower your risk of heart disease and cancer. To get most out of potato, leave the skin on and choose the colorful potato such as purple potato. And also potato is good source of fiber which can help you to weight loss and by keeping you full longer. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Anandram of class 7. Today I am telling about my favorite color, white. My favorite color is white. White color means purity and cleanliness. It suits me well. Most of my dresses are made of white. I feel a positive vibe whenever I see white color around me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravikiran. My topic is the country child. My home is my house near a wood. I am living in a street. I could. Lanes are so quiet. Oh dear. I wish someone. Thank you.
My name is Majid. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am telling myself. My name is Majid. My father name is Sharfadin. My name is Shanaz Begum. Today my brother name is MT Mujib. My hobby is playing and reading book. Thank you.
My name is Pisho Shankar. My topic, moral story, The Lion and the Mouse. Once the lion lived in the jungle. He was sleeping. The mouse lived nearby the lion. He came out of its hole. He jumped over on the lion. The lion woke up. The lion caught the mouse. The mouse begged to leave. The lion get pity on it. He let it go. One day, a hunter came into the jungle. He cast his net. The same lion caught in the net. The lion began to roar. The mouse heard his roar and came out and cut the net. The lion was free. Moral: do good, have good.
My name is Sagran. Today my topic is about my dad. My father name is Rajesh Serkar. He is very lovely and dedicated person who takes care of my entire family. He is a businessman. He is very hard worker person. He is an intelligent person who answers all my questions to my understanding. He respects his own parents, my mother and my family. Every weekend he spends his time with us. Every day he inquires about my studies with my mom. He is a very hardworking person who never give up. My father is my first happiness. I love my dad. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Rohit. Today my topic is about my village. My village name is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is largest state of India. It was established on 1st November 1956. My district name is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as Pink City. The Rajasthan is one of the popular tourist destinations in India. Rajasthan is famous for its forts, palaces, historical forts, palaces, arts and culture. The lakes of Udaipur, the palaces of Jaipur and the deserts of Bikaner are the favorite destination of tourists. Mainly Hindi and Marwari languages are spoken here. The state animal of the Rajasthan is Sinkara deer. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. My name is K. Vinod. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am telling about my school. My school name is Pasha Public School, situated at Dindal Nagar, Neralur, Medchal, Malkajgiri, Hyderabad. And I am proud to be a student of this school. My favorite person who is a role model is our beloved principal sir. He is a very kind-hearted, lovable and creative person. He
He guides us very well in different ways. He encourages each and every student to be participate in all activities to come out their inherent qualities. And I would like to share my gratitude towards our in-charge teacher. She is a very nice and caring person about us. All the teachers will help us to perform best in examination. They clarify our doubt with more patience. And I would like to become a good citizen in the future. And I would be proud to announce that I am a student of Pasha Public School. I am so happy to be here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Harshit. Today I am telling about my classroom. I am studying in 7th class. My classroom is considered to be the best class in the school. We learn new lessons, good habits and discipline in the class. In my class, 31 students are there. We share everyone friendly to each other. We share happy and sad moments in the classroom. We spend 7 hours in the classroom. It is my second home. I like my classroom very much. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am T. Shivam from class 7. Today my topic is my favorite thing. My favorite thing is my pen. Pen is used for writing and expressing handwriting. My favorite pen is fountain pen. I will use it daily. Its color is blue. I bought it from a shop. Its cost is 20 rupees. I put it in my pocket. I will use the fountain pen for my homework. Thank you.
My name is Akil. I am studying in 7th class. Telling about my school uniform. My school uniform is very nice. It is given us from the school. Why we wear uniform means we all are one only. We wear on Wednesday 4 colors of uniforms: red, blue, yellow, green. We respect our school uniform. The boys wear green shirts and green pants. The girls wear green shirts and green skirts. We wear daily our school uniform. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pinchant. I am from 7th class. Today is my topic about my book. Book is my best company in my human life. Book is my best friend. Reading book is my hobby. I can read moral stories and moral poems in my book. Book is my best friend who never leaves us alone. Book is my valuable part of my life. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Simankanta. Today my topic is about my favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Blue is darkest color. The color of blue is bright. Our earth, sea, oceans and sky represented by blue color. Blue means peace and harmony. Blue is one of the 7 colors of rainbow. I like blueberries. Blue is natural color. Thank you.
My name is Chaitanya Charan. I am from 7th B. Today's my topic is about our Indian Army. Indian Army is a great army in my life. I never saw Indian Army except in Naval Center. Indian Army is divided in 3 divisions. They are Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. Army have much force on them. They contain tanks, soldiers, etc. Navy means they contain submarines, warships. They fight in water. Air Force means they fight in air. They contain jets, planes and helicopters. Thank you.
My name is India, which is also known as Bharat. This country was named India after son of Raja Dushyant and Shakuntala. In ancient times, India also was known as Aryavatra. It is a very beautiful country full of diversity in the continent of Asia. The national flag of India is named as tricolor because it has 3 colors. The national flower of India is lotus and national tree banyan. Our national emblem is Ashoka pillar and national sports hockey. India's national bird is peacock and national tree banyan. The national animal is Bengal tiger. India is famous for unity in diversity. I love my country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is M. Joel. I am studying in 7th class. My topic about mobile phone, advantages of the phone. Nowadays we are all using mobile phone. Mobile phone helps us to communication and lots of entertainment. Mobile phone become a part of our life. It is impossible to imagine how we lived in earlier. Disadvantages of the phone. The electromagnetic radiation will be high because of the heavy internet usage. It will cause brain tumor. Thank you.
My name is K. Vivekananda. I am studying 7th class. Today my topic is about forest. Forest is very big in our world. In forest many plants and trees. In forest many animals like tiger, cheetah, lion, snakes and etc. In world biggest forest is Amazon forest. Amazon forest is very big forest. I like forest very much. Thank you.
My name is Jill Lawrence. Today my topic is about water.
Every year, on 22nd of March, Water Day is celebrated. As today, I would like to say a few words about water. Water is colorless, tasteless, odorless substance which is essential for survival of living beings. Water is the essential element for survival of living beings. Water is the basis of life for not only human beings and other living beings on earth. Water comprises more than 71% of the earth's surface. About 71% of the earth is covered with water, which are mostly oceans and other large water bodies. Water is also found as liquid crystals in central surfaces. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is P. Bolina. Today my topic is about Earth. Earth is the planet that rotates around Sun in our solar system. Earth is also known as a blue planet. Earth is look blue from the space because of seas and oceans. 70% of Earth is covered with water. All the 30% of land. All the humans, animals, trees live in this 30% area. There are hundreds of elements in the inner surface of the Earth. There are gold, silver, diamond, petroleum, etc. Earth is only one planet that supports our life. Thank you.
My name is Prasad. I'm studying in 7th class. Today I telling a poem. My trip to the moon. I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. My exams were going on and science hadn't. Suddenly lights went out. I heard one big burst. I went out to look. Full of a fire. I saw a huge rocket. Thank you.
My name is K. Ganesh. I am studying in 7th class. Today my topic is exercise. Regular physical activities can improve our oxygen levels. Exercise is important to us. Exercise can relax our muscle strength and boost strength. Exercise can useful for fat persons. Exercise can improve our height. Thank you. I am B. Rakshit. I am studying in 7th class. Today is my topic, my favorite color, green. My favorite color is green. Color of the green is the nature. Green gives me positive thinking. Green is a safe color. Green symbolizes nature. My room is painted with a light green color. Green is used in traffic signals. Green color creates a sense of relaxation and calmness. Thank you.
My name is Sacharan. I am studying in class 7B. I am telling about my hobby. My hobby is drawing. I mostly draw pictures of people, animals and birds. I use crayons, pencil, color pencils, etc. To draw pictures. During birthdays of my parents, sister and friends, I give my best drawings to them. I spend my free time by drawing pictures. I like to draw sunset the most. I love drawing. I like to become an artist when I grow up. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rambabu. Today my topic is my family. I have a wonderful family. There are 5 members in my family. There are father, mother and 2 sisters and myself. My father is the head of my family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. My family teaches me good moral values and good things. We all have deep under good respect and good love towards. During meditation every year, we all family members go on a trip. I love my family so much. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandish. I am studying in 7th class. My topic about trees. Trees are important parts of ecosystem. Trees takes in carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. There are many types. In fact, there are thousands of species of trees. They provide animals with food and shelter. They also provide humans with many important resources. They are an important source of medicine. Trees clear the air of unwanted gases. Trees prevent soil erosion. Trees prevent flood. Trees gives us wood which we use for making books and windows. Thank you.
I am from 7th class. My topic is about joint family. In family there are 2 types of family. One is nuclear family, another is joint family. I like joint family because it is a traditional of Indians. The grandparents and children will be together in one roof. The home with love, respect, sensitive, precautious words with each other. Children learn important values such as sharing, murmuring, bounding while living in a joint family. I like joint family. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Tisharam. Today is my topic about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Anasuya teacher. She teaches us to science subject. I like her explanation. She gives new ideas. She is the teacher who gives confidence. A student can speak anything and anywhere when the Anasuya teacher is beside them. She gives precious 2 words to the children. She is kindly hearted person. Where there is an Ashiya, there is a full of happiness and enjoyment. Thank you.
To everyone, my name is Sateja. I am studying 7th class. Today my topic is summer season. In summer season it is so hot. In summer season we use AC at home. In summer season we drink cool drinks and we eat ice creams. Summer season will start in March and it will end in June. I like summer season very much. Thank you.
My name is B. Najik Singh. I am from 7th class. Today my topic is my favorite game is cricket. Cricket is a game played with bat and ball and having level plates on each side. Cricket can be played for competition for or fun. Cricket is a good sport developing overall fitness, stamina and hand-eye coordination. Cricket uses a hard ball, so proactive game should be gone to avoid injury. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ryan Modes. Today's my topic is about plants. Plants are the natural resources. Plants give us fruits, flowers, vegetables, etc. Plants are the living organisms. Plants bring us rain. Plants give us oxygen and take carbon dioxide. We should plant more plants. To grow new plants, we need seeds, soil, water, sunshade, etc. Thank you.
From 7th class. Today my topic is about myself. My name is Ramchira. I am studying in 7th class in Pasha Public School. I love my school and I love my teachers and principal sir. My father name is Siddhiraju. He is an goldsmith. My mother name is Radhika. She is homemaker. I have 3 sisters named Shivani, Bhavani, Sharvani. I love my family and my hobbies are reading books, watching TV and playing outside with my friends. And my inspiration is Gunjan Saxena. She is an first woman pilot and my inspiration is become a pilot. My best friend is Rikar. That's all about me. Thank you.